to Generation Z Gadgets. My name's Steven. I'm a 17-year-old kid who's been running a YouTube channel centered around technology for more than 3 years now. I've reviewed the latest smartphones, computers, cars, consoles, smartwatches, and so much more. In fact, I've helped thousands of people around the world make some of their most important buying decisions by watching my videos. Just see what these people have to say. That being said, we're not your average tech channel. Here at Generation Z Gadgets, our priority has and always will be the average consumer. While other guys may be reviewing the craziest tech you'll never actually buy, we're here giving you real information and real data to help you make a buying decision. We understand that as an average consumer, you might not have the time to do the research or keep up with this thriving technological world we live in. And we get that, so we do the work for you. I don't know why I keep saying we. It's just me doing the channel. Yeah, it's just me. At Generation Z Gadgets, you have your typical reviews of the latest and greatest products that people can't stop talking about. But we also provide all the content you'll need to be a well-educated consumer out there. Can't decide between two amazing products? Our series Gadgets v Gadgets takes two of the greatest gadgets and pits them in a head-to-head competition. Feeling nostalgic? Throwbacks will give you your much-needed blast into the past. In-depth looks at antique technology. Confused about a gadget? Tech Breakdown gives you all you need to know about the most confusing gadgets in the market. Want to learn more about unreleased products? Rising Rumors gives you all the latest leaks on the products you're most excited about. And there's so much more than that. So what are you waiting for? Subscribe to Generation Z Gadgets today. We are your one and only stop for all things tech. And we really mean all things tech. Specifically for you, our average consumer. Oh, and I have an Apple-only channel too. Highly recommend.